Those who will jump will fly. Just jump and let's build our wings on the way down. We are in the business of building and construction, and that's exactly what we are trying to do at CARE Foundation. Construct and build those pedestals, those spots from where one can take the big jump fearlessly. After all, it's just a jump that transforms us from who we are into who we want to be.
At CARE Foundation, as of now focus majorly on 5 initiative programs: student adoption, health care, women empowerment, child care, and youth employment.
My wife Anju and few of our friends started CARE Foundation in 1990. As we saw the possibility of supporting local communities and improving the day-to-day lives of people around us with simple but practical steps.
Since 1990, we have adopted around 3,500 promising students under our student adoption program. We assist them in the most basic way by coordinating educational support in the form of financial aid, student counseling, providing spaces like reading rooms and libraries.
And the results have been so gratifying, I just can't express them in words.
I always had this dream of becoming an engineer. But dreams were breaking down every second in my neighborhood.
Common and preventable disease remain the world's largest killers, while financial and geographical barriers keep the patient from seeking basic health care.
CARE Foundation's largest initiative is to provide accessible and quality medical healthcare facilities at affordable rates to poor patients. It started in 1992 with Nirmala Devi Sardar Mal Jain Charitable Healthcare Center, where we assisted local people with very basic medical facilities like OPD, pathology, minor surgeries and homeopathy. In 1994, Nirmala Devi Sardar Mal Jain Charitable Hospital was set up, where we reach out to at least 40,000 patients every year.
We work with women from slum areas and help them realize their interests and strengths, and then work towards their training and skill development. And try making these women financially independent.
हमेशा से मुझे कुछ बिजनेस शुरू करने का मन था और आज हम 4 औरतें मिलके पर्स मेकिंग का काम करते हैं।
The women of India have to be equal partners with men in every possible way. By making expertise and training resources available to these women, we don't just create a workforce, we create independent women with a voice that can demand its rights. It's a complete win-win strategy. It not only promotes the local economy, but most importantly, it turns the wheels of social justice.
हमारे यहाँ लड़कियों को बोझ समझते हैं, इसीलिए मेरी भी शादी बहुत छोटी उम्र में कर दी गई।
लोग बोलते थे कि बेचारी अकेली है, बेसहारा है। मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता था, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने कभी हार नहीं मानी।
Under our youth employment program, we address local aspirations by assisting youth with grooming, training, and creating local jobs.
Childcare has always been Care Foundation's primary focus. Our initiatives range from running summer camps to schools for underprivileged kids, setting up education centers and nurseries at construction sites, giving proper education and care to the children while their parents are working.
And each smile is $1 million deal. In 1990, Care Foundation made a commitment to assist people and change lives. And for the last 24 years, we've been trying our best to do just that.
When I look back, I still can't believe that my dreams actually came true.
आज अपने पैरों पे खड़ी हूँ और सहारा हूँ अपने माँ बाप का।
एक दिन देखना हमारे पर्सेस पूरी मुंबई यूज करेगी।
And we've seen lives change.